Hey y'all, Purely Janíse here. Today we are going to be installing this beautiful wig sent to me by Yolissa Hair. It's a nice cinnamon ginger color, and right now I'm just giving you guys a view of the inside of the unit. It comes with 3 clips, 2 on the sides and 1 in the back, and these 2 adjustable straps, which are my absolute favorite because baby girl got a big head and we need to make sure this wig stays on with no slip up. So those straps do come in handy. I'm going to continue on using my regular installation method, so if you've seen my previous videos, y'all already know how this goes. I'm not going to do much talking. I'm just going to let you guys sit back, vibe out to the music, and watch this amazing transformation come to life. Enjoy! After posting on Instagram, I got a bunch of questions about my eyebrows and how I got that nice auburn color. Literally all I did was buy like some spicy type eyebrow pencil from Walmart, went over my eyebrows with my pomade as regular, and then went over the pomade with the eyebrow pencil, and that was that. Boom. Crazy is I left and came back looking so fine my camera couldn't even focus. Period. I'm in love with the results of the wig. A few details about the hair before I go. When I first unboxed it, it felt a little like If you know what like cankalon braiding hair feels like, that's what it felt like. And I was actually kind of afraid that it wasn't going to turn out right because I've never received hair that felt that texture before, and so I thought it wasn't going to straighten right. I didn't think that it was going to, you know, be as like bouncy and lively and soft as it is. I'm going to show you guys how long it is on me. Again, I'm super tall and this is actually really long on me. There was shedding while I was doing it, but there isn't like shedding now, if you guys can see. I think there was a lot of shedding when I was doing the hair because I was cutting and styling and yanking and plucking and doing all that good stuff. I hope this video was as informational as possible, and I hope you guys can learn something. If you would like to try this look on your own, I have a coupon code down below, as well as all the information for the wig, so you guys can go ahead and slay this ginger look for the summer, fall, winter, or spring, whatever season you are enjoying right now at this given time. And yeah, thank you to Yolissa Hair for being oh so patient with me and for sending me this beautiful wig. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.